Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So our vlog for today is about $50 challenge. So we will buy groceries for $50, and actually we never buy groceries less than $50. So every 3 days we go to groceries to buy things, and we spend like $70 to $80. And now we will try to make it $50. So let's go.
Hey babe, who's the guy on the paper?
I don't know who's I don't know.
What's
You know
his name?
him?
I thought it was Lee Kuan Yew, but actually it's some other guy.
Yeah, I don't know.
We'll find out. We'll put it in the comments.
Yes, okay guys. $48, and usually we spend like $70 or $80 every time we buy groceries, and 48 is it's like 1,200 pesos in the Philippines. And of course, we can't vlog much inside because there's a music, so Tim will be the one who edit that one. And of course, I want to challenge my friend to do the 50 grocery challenge, $50. So maybe it's like 1 to 1,200. So I want to challenge Micks, Sheyshey, and Funny Young, and of course Ronna. So please do that. And of course, Ate Max is organic. I will challenge you guys. So that's it.